Hi everyone, Villainous Bounty here, back with another video. I recently purchased some off Stackers Social Discord. As I'm very new to stacking in my beginner stages, I come across some storage boxes that are one Nerd UK is 3D printing and selling on the marketplace. Now if you get hold of him via DMs, you can actually have these boxes custom made. So I'm about to show you the ones that I got off him. Must say that the packaging was absolutely top tier, brother. Absolutely top tier. So if we open her up, we got cracking little Nerd UK sticker. Fantastic, sir. Thank you very much. That will go with the rest of them. Thank you, sir. That is fantastic. Now, this is the first time I've seen somebody using this kind of artsy, crafty cloth for packaging. As you can see, he's used colour coordinated cloth to logo. Absolutely fantastic. Great work that is now. So yeah, we'll start on packaging this. Now, I'm actually in love with these. Absolutely adore them. So as you can see, we got 3 different boxes. Let's take the biggest one out first. Oh, look at that. As you can see, he's perfectly managed to get my channel round on there with a colour swap to the claret and blue to match the box. That's fantastic. Well, let's get this one down first. Sorry about the angles, guys. I'm currently obviously handheld. I'm not sat down at the moment, so this might be a little bit sketchy. And here we have 2 smaller ones. Now I will get these opened up and tell you a little bit about what they're for. And there's number 3. So basically, I mean, I know you can't see, well there you go. I mean, the glitter shimmer, I mean they're pretty special. So yeah, I'll get these open now. Let me just get this out of the way. 3, 2, 1, way! So yeah, these are like starter bundles really. So let's crack this first one open and see what it is. Right, so this one is for your 1 ounce silver bars in capsules. As you can see, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 slots for you to beautifully store your silver bars. So once this is full, obviously don't need to be a mathematician, that will be 10 ounces of silver in bars. Moving on to box number 2. This is for your 1 ounce silver coins in capsules. As you can see, it's slightly different as it's got the concave bottom to it, so your rounds will sit in there beautifully. I don't have any silver at the moment, but what I can do is show you with just a couple of my copper coins. So yeah, they go in there absolutely fantastic. Look at that. So that will be for 10 1 ounce rounds coins in capsules. So that's brilliant. Thank you very much. Let's get that out of the way. And the biggest one is gonna be, I believe, the longest one to fill. This one's going to be for your assay carded 1 gram gold bars. And as there is 31.151 grams in a troy ounce, Nerd UK has created a box where there is 31 individual slots for your assay cards. So I am so happy with the production level on these 3D boxes. You know, the time taken to, you know, just get what the customer wants right. And I can't recommend Nerd UK any more highly. He's a great guy, always in and around all the channels, and he does fantastic work like this. So if this is something that you're possibly interested in for your stack, get onto Stacker Social. Little QR for you there if you get it. And yeah, hop up in the marketplace and you'll see a 3D print section, and Nerd UK will definitely be in there, and I'm pretty sure he'll be more than happy to help you with whatever specifications you may have. So Nerd, thank you brother, appreciate you. Stacker Social, you know I appreciate you, each and every one of you. And until next time, this is VB out.